Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. This is your, I think it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock. We're wrapping up early today. We're celebrating Lizzie's birthday over in Zephyr Hills, so dragging the family over there and doing that whole thing. So having dinner and gonna go see Wicked and all that. So show you what we got done. So let's start here. So I went ahead and I got the entire radio is wired up now, with the exception of the yellow wire that goes over to the ignition switch that I haven't installed yet. But I'm in the process of it. It's on the other side of that white paper. I also, let's go over here. I got the speaker wires are all where they need to go. I just got to drill the holes for the speakers. So that'll be tomorrow. Got the headlight switch in. I've got the cigar lighter in, all the panels, kind of getting somewhere. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. It has been the day of everybody and their brother showing up and having an emergency and needing me to go to their house and try to do something, and so that made it hard to get a lot done. But Big Ron's working on the linkage here. You see that bar coming down, you see how close it is to the header? That's the challenge, right? So he's custom making shifter linkage to make this work with the hooker headers, long tube headers that are on here. But he's almost there. Almost there. We had another hour today, we'd probably get it done. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll be going over to Don's, getting the glass over here, the back window and the windshield. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the window seals, make sure I have the right stuff. And then we'll pull out the chrome trim, make sure we have the right chrome trim, and then kind of go from there. So when the glass guy gets here, he doesn't have to try too hard, right? It's all here, and we're not trying to find things. And of course tomorrow these speakers will go in. I'll get these wired up. Hopefully Ron will get the shifter linkage fixed or finished, and with any luck I'll have the switches in, or the I say switches, ignition switch and the wiper switch in and ready to go. So getting there, guys. We're getting there. It baby steps, but it would be cool. I mean, realistically, you know, I hook up one wire and we could hook up the battery, and we could actually probably test the radio and do a fire test for sure to make sure nothing lights off. But see what works. Does the clock work? Does the radio work? Do the speakers work? You know, lights definitely won't work because I don't have a taillight harnesses in, and I haven't got the front end, so lights wouldn't matter. But you know, we could test some things. I doubt we're gonna do it, but it'd be kind of cool if we did. And if we do, I'll bring it to you. But everything else is hooked up. All the grounds are hooked up. All the power wires, everything, speaker wires, everything on this end of this is done. The only thing I got to do is hook up the positive and negative on the speakers back here, and we're there. And they're already ran up and through into where they need to go. It's where the yellow tape is, right there and right there. And honestly, they're probably not going to be coming out of here. They'll be underneath here, and I just wanted them out of the way where I could see that they're there. So yeah, guys, we're going to go to dinner. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. We are neck deep in this week. Stay tuned for glass and the completion of the dash. I should have the cluster in it and everything, and all that in, and the glove box and all this by Friday. And hopefully we're almost, or are, mounting front fenders and core support and all of that. That'll happen pretty quick, I think. We know it fits, and we'll just kind of blow through that. But yeah, boys, there we go. Stay tuned, lots more coming. I'll leave you with another shot of the beautiful dash. I love this dash. I love that color. I'm painting the Apache that color. I just have to. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be back tomorrow.